Hello and welcome. I'm Bettina Zedlitz, leading the Sustainability, Go-to-Market and Solution Management. I'll talk about why sustainability is definitely a topic for the business. Let me quickly turn over to Gunther.
Thank you, Bettina. Hello, everyone. My name is Gunther Rothheimel. I lead the S/4HANA Sustainability Product Unit in SAP, and I would introduce you to a couple of new and exciting initiatives we do in the space of sustainability. Back over to you again, Bettina.
CEOs are making sustainability a strategic priority. Why is that? We see that consumers are shifting their preferences. They are selecting more sustainable products and services, and if they see that a product has not been produced in a sustainable way, they might walk away in frustration and never come back. Investors are doing the same. Investors are looking at companies which are resilient and flexible and agile enough to react on the outside demand. Only there they would do their investments in future. To attract new talent, companies need to prove that they are responsible employers, because this is the number one priority of all the job-seeking millennials and Generation Z. Also, new regulations are upcoming. At the moment, more than 60 carbon pricing initiatives are underway and scheduled for implementation. But they are locally diverse, and we do not exactly know how they will look like. So we know they will come for sure, and we know this will add a new risk for our business, but we do know that we need to be able to react flexibly on it. All those changes will come with additional investment needs. The UN estimates the investments for climate smart infrastructure over the next 10 years to more than $90 trillion. This is a big challenge. But on the other side, this is also a huge business opportunity. And this is only for those companies who are able to react quickly and adapt to those changes. And this is why sustainability is high on the CEO agenda. But not only on the CEO agenda, we also see that sustainability is a topic for the top management. All roles are affected. They all have their specific triggers and need to take action in their own area. Only with that, sustainability can be covered in a business. What we can say, sustainability is definitely a business issue. To make sustainability profitable and profitability sustainable, all the key roles in a company need to work together. SAP believes that we can approach the sustainable business systematically. We all together want to strive for a world of zero emissions, zero waste, and zero inequality, to react on the outside challenges like the changing consumer preferences, the global resource shortage, and the regulatory and shareholder pressure. With that, we have to build up new internal measures. We have to create new data structures to capture those parameters we need to report into a sustainability reporting. Also, we need to have new capabilities to create insights. We need to evaluate our data. And last but not least, we need to create processes to optimize with the intelligent enterprise approach. With all this together, we can create the comprehensive sustainable business. And this will help you to leverage these new opportunities and also minimize the risk for your company. With these measures, we believe that sustainability can boost your business. It's not just a risk, it's really an opportunity, and it will help you capture these new opportunities, because you will be able to differentiate through your sustainable processes, products, and services. And you can also start innovating on products and services. It will help safeguarding your license to operate, with addressing all the regulations and taxations which are upcoming, and you will avoid sanctions and protect your business. It will also drive your brand value, because consumers will carefully look what you are doing, and when you lead with purpose, you will attract superior talent and avoid reputational risks. Overall, sustainability can also boost your operational excellence. You will look deeper into your processes. You will have new insights. And with that, you will also be able to reduce resource consumption. You will be able to leverage sponsorships and subsidies, and you will drive efficiency across your intelligent enterprise. And how we translate this into an SAP portfolio and strategy over the next couple of years, I will hand over to Gunther now.
Thank you, Bettina. Well, to address the value proposition that Bettina has just summarized so well, our portfolio of products is evolving quickly. And of course, it's our aim to give you a complete and comprehensive view into all aspects of sustainability in your company. Now, what is also important is the fact that we, of course, believe that sustainability needs to be well embedded into the business processes that are running in your company and that are supported by SAP software and from our product portfolio. So we cover aspects like, of course, the important need to take climate action. We introduce circularity, but we are also providing you a comprehensive view, for example, to assess your perspective on equality for all or address social metrics in your organization. Now today, I want to focus on two very important initiatives just to highlight this in a kind of a sneak preview mode. And one of them is Climate 21. You might have heard about this. This is our initiative to help you as our customers and partners to understand and minimize the greenhouse gas footprint of your products along the value chain of your products. And the solution that we are delivering, we call SAP Product Footprint Management. That's a new product that we are going to market with, and it enables you to calculate and manage product carbon footprint from cradle to gate using, your direct emissions, your manufacturing activities, material flow input, but also outbound transport, and basically over time, all necessary data that you need to have a comprehensive view of your carbon footprint across your products. We aim to provide this capability at scale. So what do I mean with scale? It's clear that when we want to drive down, the carbon footprint across the industries and across all of your activities, we need to be able to cover many products in such a calculation. And we need to do this calculation on a frequent basis, recurring and not as a one-off. And at the same point in time, of course, we want to provide these capabilities in an enterprise-ready style with all of the data privacy, security, and so on that you need in your company. The second important quality that I already touched upon is the fact that we need to embed this tightly into business processes, and that means two things. On the one side, we need to access data from all of the underlying LOB applications to be able to calculate the footprint. But at the same point in time, we want to give the footprint data and all related information back into the systems of planning of your supply chain, of your finance systems, and so on, to make sure we truly enable you to optimize your operations, also based on this dimension of carbon footprint and the green light in general. This new solution is in beta now, and we aim to deliver this later in summer as a GA product as well. So please take the time to find out more about it. The second important initiative that I would highlight quickly today is circular economy. And what we want to enable together with you and our ecosystem here is that we want to shift from the linear process models that we are all used to a more circular model where we try to avoid waste and have a higher degree of reuse in our operations. And the solution that we are putting forward here to address this problem, we call responsible design and production, so that you can introduce circularity. And in particular, we are covering two parts with this product. First, we want to enable you to address your extended producer responsibility obligations, make sure that you cover that well, also with your downstream activities in the process. But equally important, it is for us to help to design out ways from the beginning by integrating with design systems, again getting all relevant information into your planning and design processes, so that your packaging waste, for example, is reduced from the beginning when you introduce new products. So that's a new solution that we are also now bringing to market and launching later this summer. Both products are new cloud native solutions on SAP's business technology platform, part of the S/4HANA family, but also integrating with the overall product portfolio of SAP and beyond into non-SAP sources. So that's what I wanted to cover as a sneak preview from the product side. And with that, I'd like to hand it over back to you, Bettina.
Thank you very much, Gunther. With all these sustainability efforts, products, and so on, we won't leave you alone, because we offer sustainability service packages. With these service packages, you can kick off your journey and get sustainability advisory, so that you have a quick start by defining your key sustainability ambitions and also use cases. You can prioritize them, and then we can go together into a sustainability assessment. Here you can bridge the gap between the strategy, so your ambitions, and the execution. And we will also help you to go over into the deliver, run, and scale phase, where we have the implementation of sustainability together into your intelligent enterprise across the entire value chain. With that, SAP can act as a trusted advisor for sustainability and keeping you on the road, getting you on the road to your sustainable business. With that, we come to the end of the presentation. Thanks a lot for listening, and I would like to point your attention to this link here on the slide. This is the sustainability community page, what we are offering our customers to keep up to date with all our changes, with new product features, with partner contributions, and so on. So you will have community calls there, you will have blog posts there, which will keep you up to date with our strategy and with our release updates. With that, thank you very much. I hope to see you on the community page, and handing back to Gunther for final words.
Yeah, thanks a lot from my side as well. I hope we got you interested in SAP's sustainability offering, and yeah, very much looking forward to supporting you on your sustainability journey moving forward. Thank you very much.